Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Raj Mahmood. So, today we will talk about Python programming language. So, why we should learn this programming language? This programming language is used everywhere. Everywhere means if you want to do machine learning, you can use Python. If you want to do web development, you can use Python. If you want to do scripting, you can use Python. If you want to do web scraping or lead generation, you can also use the Python programming language. There is so many fields you can in so many fields you can use Python programming language. So that is, you have to clear yourself why you should learn Python programming language. If you want to go in web development, you can use Python language. Their libraries are available: Django, Flask. These both are used in web development backend. And if you want to do networking side, if you want to work on networking side, you can use also Python, because Python is also used in network mapping. Network mapping means Scapy is a library, and Nmap also is a library in a Python which is used to scan your network. And if you want to do mobile application, so it this is the point it is the point where you will be stuck, because Python is not working well in the Python is not working well in the mobile application till now. But you can, if you want to do the desktop application, you can also use the Python programming language. So there is a lot of field where you can use Python programming, and even you can solve the DSA questions using Python, because Python developer also use the also solve the DSA problems, solve the DSA problems, and they can secure the Google internship, Microsoft internship using Python programming language, because they solve the DSA problems, hundreds of DSA problems, 500 DSA problems you can solve using Python, because Python is easy to write, and there is no you can use Python easily. That is the power of Python programming language. So first of all, you have to clear why you want to learn Python. If you are going in web development, if you are going in cybersecurity, if you want to go in machine learning, data scientist, and AI, you have to learn Python programming language.